Hey guys, what's up in the bunker here? So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss 5 best Discord music bots. Discord is by far the biggest gaming chat service in the world. The user interface and wide range of features are surely a big factor in the same, but an equally significant one is the wide variety of handy bots that users can create and integrate to improve their experience while using Discord. The ease of creating these bots has led to a near flood of similar bots in the online marketplace today. This article will let gamers know which are the best music bots that they can integrate into their Discord servers to make jamming more fun while they play their favorite games. Here are the 5 best music bots for Discord in 2022. Chip, Hydra, Fredboat, Uzox, Jockey Music. 5 best music bots for Discord in 2022 include Chip, Hydra, and more. This list is curated based on the overall functionality that these bots provide in comparison to various other software available in the market. If users have specific needs that are served by software outside of this list, they should feel free to try them out. 1. Chip. Chip is one of the easiest to use Discord music bots. Support for SoundCloud, Spotify, and even relatively lesser-known platforms like Bandcamp can be found here. It gets its ease of use factor from the fact that users don't have to rely on commands to use the tool. The bot can be navigated by commands as well. Players have to input ch help without the to get a list of all available commands. The tool is free to use, but contributing to the creator's Patreon gets users additional perks like 24x7 playback, global volume control, and bass boost. 2. Hydra. This is a bot for users whose focus is on getting playback on Discord with minimal lag and distortion. Users can type play without the with a song name, and playback will commence directly while using Hydra. The default prefix for the bot is comma, but it can be changed by users who have server administrator access, along with the standard set of features that one expects from such bots like pause, skip, etc. One standout feature is the option to let members vote to skip the current track. Users who want features like 24/7 playback and saved playlists should consider subscribing to the premium version, available at $3.99 per month. 3. Fredboat. Fredboat offers its full functionality to users completely for free. It is compatible with YouTube, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and direct links from any platform and even Twitch streams. It's also the only bot on the list that allows users to set up a playlist in one go and save it for later on their Discord server for free. Playback can commence by directly typing in the names of the songs, like in Hydra. This is an extremely user-friendly bot for those who want premium features without opening their wallet, who are willing to compromise a little on the quality of music. 4. Uzox. Uzox is an improvement on Fredboat's core idea, for example, offering premium features for free. In addition to all the features that Fredboat offers, Uzox includes lyric support, where users can view the lyrics of the song as it's playing, and 24x7 playback. The only noteworthy flaw is that the bot is not very user-friendly and can seem inconvenient to new Discord users. The icing on the cake is that players can enjoy high-quality streaming using this bot, and there is no notable drop in quality despite the bot being completely free to use. 5. Jockey Music. Jockey Music is currently considered to be the best music bot there is. The widest compatibility range, with everything from Spotify to Apple Music being supported, to the presence of multiple instance features. Jockey Music has all the features one can think of for a Discord music bot. The flagship multiple instances feature allows members of the same Discord server to have 4 separate music listening sessions at the same time. Other features talked about throughout this article, like 24x7 playback, playlists, high-quality streaming, customization, and ease of use, are also present within this tool. The premium version of the tool has an extra range of exclusive jockey bots and a lot more, and can be accessed via the relevant Patreon contributions. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can, that really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.